Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today I am facing one of the issue that is bash next command not found. How to solve this issue we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So might be the issue would be like you haven't installed the Next globally. So if you go with the just project level, you have to install this command npm install next. And if I try to add this command again, the next is not found. The another command I'm trying to use it, that is globally install the next. Okay, now we are going to run the command next start. So here you can see now the next command is working. Okay, any command that you want to run that is in the package JSON next build. So you can also add next build. Okay, so it will create the environment.env linting checking, creating an optimized production build. Okay, so here there were some errors. That is a different, but the next command is working, right? This is my code issue, nothing related to that one. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.